Very good morning, students. Previous class, previous video, I have explained in question number 19. Now we have to explain. I want to explain some question 21, 22. Sorry, 21, 23, 24, and then 26, then 28, 29. Okay, just go through this each and every question, each and every steps. Then you can solve these types of question. In the whatever left I have left, same types of question you can solve. Okay. Now here fraction is given in the linear equation. Okay. We have to find value of z. So how we are solve? First of all, we have to take LCM. Okay. So first of all, we have to take LCM of 3, 5. Then it will come LCM will be 15. Same types of previous question I have did also. In some question we have taken LCM. So 15 LCM will come. This 5 will multiply this side because in 3 there any table 15 will come 5 times. So we have to multiply by 5. And in 5 table 15 will come 3 times. Then it will multiply by 3. Just put here bracket. Okay. After that, just multiply here. Then it will come 25 multiply 1 minus 25, then minus 25 z will come. Okay, then this 3 will multiply this 3, then minus 9 z will come, and then minus will get plus 3 1 3 is equal to 1 upon 6. Okay, after that just add the like term and then same as it is. So 25 plus 3, 28 will come, and then minus 25, minus 29, minus 30, minus 25, minus 9, minus 34 z upon 15 is equal to 1 upon 6. Now we have to do cross multiplication. So here 6 into 28 minus 34 z is equal to 1 into 15 will come. Okay. Now we have to multiply 6 into 28. How much will come? So 6 8 48, carry 4, 12 plus 4, 16 will come 168, minus 6 4 24, carry 2, 3 4 6 4 24, carry 2, 6 3 added 2 0, 4 will come. Z is equal to 15. Okay. This 6 has multiplied this whole, this 15 has multiplied here. Now we have to transpose this 168 this side. So minus 204 will come, minus 204 z is equal to 15 minus 168. Okay, now we will subtract. How much will come here? 168 minus 15, it will come 3 5 1 minus 153 because negative sign is more, so it will come minus 153. Now this here multiply sign is there, then this will be go there in the division. So z is equal to minus 153 upon minus 204. So minus will get plus. Now we have to cancel out by 17 table, I think. 17 9 and then 17 again cancel by 17 table, it will come 1 and 2. Now with 17 12 now we have to cancel by 3 4. So z is equal to 3 upon 4. Final answer is z is equal to 3 upon 4. This is the final answer. Okay. Now we have to solve the question number. We have to simplify the question number 23. Same process we have to do here also. Here this side also variable are given and this side also variable are given. For that, first of all we have to take LCM in these both. Then again we will do cross multiplication. Okay. So first of all just take LCM. So 600 LCM will become 24 only. Okay. Now this 8 will multiply here and this 6 multiply there. So in 6 table 24 will come. In 6 table 24 will come 4 times. then this whole multiply by 4. And in a table, 24 will come 3 times, will multiply by 3 here. So 3 4 ja 12x will come, 12x minus 16, 4 4 ja 16. Then here minus sign is there, put here minus, and then 3 2 ja 6. So it will come 6x, and then again minus sign is there because there plus minus will come, and 3 3 ja 9. So minus 9 is equal to 2x minus 7 upon 24. Okay. So now we have to do cross multiplication. Before that, just first simplify this. So 12 minus 6, 6x will come, and this minus 16 minus 9 minus 25 upon 24 is equal to 2x minus 7 upon 24. Now just cross multiply here. So again we will do cross multiplication. 24 into 6x minus 25 is equal to 24 into 2x minus 7. Okay, like this. We have did cross multiplication. Now multiply here. 24 6 ja 144x will come minus 24 into 25. How much will come? 24 into 25 we multiply 24 100 and then 50 0 0 means 600 will come. So write down here 600 minus 600 is equal to here 48x will come minus 24 7 ja 7 4 ja 28 means 168 will come. Okay, 24 7 ja 168. After that we will arrange like variable means variable this side and constant that side. So then it will come 144x minus 48x, and this 600 will go that side, then minus 168 plus 600 because minus sign is there, then it will get plus. Now same steps I will do in this here because place is not there. So just we will subtract this both. So 144 minus 48 how much will come? 6, and here 30 means 96 will x will come is equal to, now subtract 600 minus 168. So this one is 2, and here 9 minus 6 3 will come here, 5 minus 1 4 will come means 4 3 2 will come. Now this 96 will divide here, so 1432 upon 96. Now by which table we can cancel out this one? This one is 2, this one is 9. Okay, correct. Now we will cancel by 4 table directly, then 108 will come. Now this one cancel by 4 table, then it will come 24. Now we can cancel by 4 table again, then it will come 27, and here by 4 table 6. Then we can cancel out by 3 table 9 3 and then 2. So 9 upon 2 will come. X value is 9 upon 2. Or if you want to find in point, then it will come 4.5 answer. So value of x is 4.5. Or you can answer in mixed fraction also 4.5. Mixed fraction also will come 4.5. 4.5 same as it is 4.5. Now, so this is the answer of the question number 23. Now we have to solve question number 24. So how will we do this question number 24 again? Here some bracket is there and point is also there, fraction is also there. So how we do here? Again we have to just first of all remove the bracket, means first multiply here. X plus 0.5 plus this 1 upon 2 will multiply here as well, here also. So it will come 3x upon 2. Okay. So sometimes a student will do wrong, means 2 3 6 they will write, but it will not like this. Here numerator and this one is denominator. So here nothing written means 1, then 2 is multiplied with 1 and 1 is multiplied with 3x. After that 1 upon 2 will multiply 1 upon 3, then 1 1 ja 1 and 2 3 ja 6, then 1 upon 6 will come. Okay. Now again here same process. So x plus 1 whole upon 3 you can write down like this. Either you can write out x upon 3 or 1 upon 3 means individual multiplication. Now we will subtract variable and constant separate. So here this one is constant, this one is constant, this both we have to shift that side, and this x upon 3 we have to shift this side. So change the sign. So x 3x upon 2, these both are same side only, so no need to change the sign. Now this x upon 3 will come this side, so minus x upon 3 will come. Okay, after then 1 upon 3 just write out here, and this value we have to shift means minus 0.5, and this one minus that side will go 1 upon 6 plus 1 upon 6 will come. Now again just you take LCM 1, 2, 3, and this side also you have to take LCM 3. Just remove this point here, then it will come 10. Okay, now we have to cancel out 5 to 10, then it will come 1 upon 2. So we have to simplify this side separate and this side separate. Then again we have to do cross multiplication. First of all, just you take LCM 2, 3, then it will come 6. Now we have to multiply by 6 here, multiply by 3 here, because in 2 tables 6 will come 3 times, in 3 tables 6 will come 2 times, so we have to multiply by 2 here. So this one is 6x plus 9x minus 2x, okay, is equal to, again we have to take LCM, then it will come again LCM is 6 only, because 3, 2, 6 is there. Directly I am writing, no, I have not written here 1 upon 2, because I have cancelled same as it is, 1 upon 2 will come only. So directly you can simplify here. So 3 2 6, then we have to multiply here 2. In 2 tables 6 will come 3 times, multiply by 3 here, and here 1. So write out 2 minus 3 plus 1. Okay. Now just add here 15 minus 2. It will come 13x upon 6, and here just these both are 3 means 0 will come. 0 upon 6, then it will come 0 only. Okay. So now cross multiply, then x will become 0 only. So final answer is x is equal to 13x is equal to 0 into 6, then it will come 0, and then 13 will divide there. So x is equal to 0 upon 13, then it will come x is equal to 0. This is the final answer. Okay, x is equal to 0 only in this question. Now we have to solve question number 26, then I will solve question number 28 and 29. Okay. Now in this question, whole upon is given. Just do your cross multiplication. So 7 multiply, put here a small bracket, 7x minus 10, and then in between equal sign plus 5 multiply 8x minus 5. Okay, now multiply here 7 into 7, 49x will come, and 7 into 10 minus 70 will come, is equal to 5 into 8, 40x will come, and minus 5 25 will come. Okay, so 49x and 40x, let's shift this side. So 49x minus 40x is equal to minus 25 plus 70. Okay, now we have to subtract here 9x will come, okay, and here let's subtract 70 minus 25, how much will come? Then it will come 45. So 45. Now here multiply sign is there, then go there in division. So x is equal to 45 upon 9, it will come 5. So final answer is x is equal to 5. This is the final answer of question number 26. Okay. Now we have to solve question number 28 and 29. In this also again we have to do cross multiplication only. Just cross multiply. This side will go there. Just be careful with minus arrow. Means if you will do wrong, just shift this also, this one else this side, then upon nothing written there. So that will be wrong. So for that we have to cross multiply same whatever I am doing here. Okay. So 3m plus 4 bracket 5 is equal to 2 into 2 minus 6m. Okay. Now here multiply again, 5 will multiply this both. Okay. So it will come 5 3 is 15m and 5 4 is 20 is equal to 2 2 is 4 and 6 2 is 12m. Now just shift this 12 on this side and 20 that side. So it will come 15m plus 12m. Okay. Now 4 minus 20. Now just you add both, then it will come 27m is equal to 4 minus 20 minus 16 will come. So m is equal to minus 16 upon 27. This is the final answer. Okay, m is equal to minus 16 upon 27. So if question is like this, just you do cross multiplication, means 5 into 5 3 is 15, 5 4 is 20. Okay, after then here this 2, so minus 2 is there, sorry, minus 2 sign is there, so minus minus will get plus here. Okay, here sorry, this one is the minus only, this one is the minus only, and this minus minus will get plus. This 12 will come this side, then it will come minus. Okay, and then 20, here minus 4 and minus 20, so it will come minus 24. After then we will subtract here. So we will subtract here 15 minus 12, then it will come how much? 3m will come. Now 5m is equal to minus 24 upon 3, then it will come 8, means minus 8. So m is equal to minus 8. This is the correct answer. That one is wrong. Whatever I have did previous, that is wrong. Okay, this one is the correct. Because minus 2 is there, that time I have forget. Now I have corrected. Okay, now question number 29. Just see here. Again we have to do a cross multiply direct here. But in this, here this side also variable is there, that side also variable is there. For that, be careful during multiplication. How we are doing algebra, binomial to binomial multiplication. Same process we have to do here also. So 2n minus 3, put here small bracket 3n plus 1 equal to again this one 2n minus 1 and 3n minus 1. Okay, now multiply here this 2n to this whole and minus 3 to this whole like this. So we will write out 2n small bracket 3n plus 1 and minus 3 into 3n plus 1. Okay, after that again we have to multiply this 2n to this whole and then minus 1 to this whole. So just write out 2n into 3n minus 1. Okay, now minus 1 we have to multiply, then 3n minus 1. Okay, after that we will multiply 6n square will come and then 2n will come. Minus 3 3 is 9n and then minus 3 into 1 minus 3 will come. Okay, now 2 3 is 6n square, so 6n square and minus 2n, then minus 3n and then minus minus plus 1. Okay, because this minus sign and this minus sign, minus minus plus sign. Now just separate the variable and constant. First of all we have to simplify, then like term this we have to subtract minus 7 will come and minus 3, then 6n square same as it is, then we this both 5 and will come, then plus 1. Now just shift this value this side and this 3 that side. So here 6n square minus 6n square minus 7n plus 5n is equal to this 3 will separate that side, so 3 plus 1 will come. Now 6n square minus 6n square, this one will be 0. And this both we have to separate, so minus 4n will come is equal to 3 plus 4, 3 plus 1, 4 will come. So minus 4n is equal to minus 4. Then we have to do like this, minus 4n is equal to 4. So n is equal to 4 upon minus 4. Cancel out, 1 will come, means minus 1. So n is equal to minus 1. This is the final answer. Okay. Like that we have to solve question, whatever question will come in the exercise, and whatever I have done, just try yourself. Okay, that's all.